Hey guys, it's Mel. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to make a thank you card through Vistaprint for your business. So in any business that you have, it's really important to give thanks and show appreciation to your customers who support you in your business. And it's equally just as important in an online reselling business. So every single order that I post receives a little thank you card that just is letting them know that I'm a real person, a small business, I'm a mum who's hustling on the side, and I'm real, and I want my thank you cards to come across that way. I have a few different types of thank you cards, and for the most part they say the same things, but really my thank you cards are, hi, thank you for your order, I appreciate your purchase, I'm a mum raising 4 kids and I'm hustling on the side, please leave me positive feedback. And you would be surprised at how many comments I get from my thank you cards. I get them within my feedback. Sometimes they'll just say, cute thank you card, love the card, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes I get personal messages sent from customers who relate back to me and say, you're doing a great job there, well done, blah, like, it's great. And I get a lot of feedback. And I don't know if it's because I'm asking for it, but I do believe in if you ask, you shall receive. I don't think there's anything wrong with saying, please leave me positive feedback. It's also, I don't get many returns. I don't know whether it means people are just happy, or is it just that they can see that I am this mum working on the side, trying to build a trying to make some money, and maybe then they feel sorry for me. I don't really know, but at the end of the day, thank you cards really seem to work for me, and I think they are an important part of adding them into your orders when you send something out. So today I've made a quick video to show you how I make my thank you cards via the Vistaprint website. The first thing you do is you go up to the top right there and just check that it's set in the right country for you. Vistaprint sell worldwide, so you can shop these anywhere you are. If you've previously ordered some business cards or some thank you cards, you can quickly go into your account and reorder the same ones that you've made before. So that's a really good time saver for the future. They also have a section there for deals, so feel free to check out any deals that they may have on offer at the time. Then we go over to the business cards. Click on the business cards, scroll down and you'll see the standard. I just use the standard. Browse the designs or start with your logo, and in this one I'm going to show you how to make one with your logo. So basically add your logo here, click on that button, add the image and choose your logo from wherever the destination it is. Mine will be on my computer with a million other things. So let's go in, we'll find my little icon just as an example, and then you can just play around with these business card designs or thank you designs, whatever you're making them, and find one that fits your logo. So I'll just click on a few here so you can see the difference. This one here, you'll see my logo doesn't really fit into the template of the box. And even if I try and move the logo in and out, it's still going to crop some of it off. So I know that this design is not right for me. So what I'll do is I'll just go along and I'll find another one and have a little look. And this one looks like it would work well. However, I really don't like that big black box, so or coloured box, because you can change the colours of all of this. So I'm just going to have a scroll. Again, there's a more simple one. My logo is quite simple, so if I was making this for myself, I would do a simple one. Stretch the logo out, make it to the size that you want. You can change the color down there to whatever you want. Play around with it, personalize it, and make it exactly as you want. up here is the text, and you can change the text to whatever you have. If you've been fooling around and making some before it, some of your pre-made text might be already in there, just like mine was then. But yeah, you can just go in here, change your text, change your color, change the sizing. So I'm going to stretch this thank you out so it just fills up the space and is a little bit more bold. And it's really easy. Then some of the lines here with text you might not actually want. There might be too many in the particular design for you. Just delete any text that's in the box and that will remain blank. So I'm just going to show you how I'm just deleting, changing some text here, changing the color of it, just making it a little bit more personalized to how I would want this particular card. As you can see, it's so simple. I'm just changing all the text to pink. Basically, this example that I'm making for you is just a pink. And yeah, so it's just very simple. Down here, I would maybe put my eBay store name and, change some things here. I'm going to delete a couple of things, back to making some more pink. And here we go, eBay store name. Let's make mine Back from Burnout, even though my eBay name is not Back from Burnout. So don't go searching for that because you won't find anything. And if you do, it's not me. But yeah, I'm just using this as a simple example that you can change it to whatever you want, add it in, write whatever you want. And yeah, simple. Here we go. After you've finished, click onto the next button and it's going to give you the back side of the card. I'm just going to keep mine plain, it's cheaper. And then simply once you can review your card here, tick that you've reviewed it, press next and it will take you through to the payment account. Now I'm just going to show you another example here of one of their basic designs. Same thing, just go to the business cards and the standard design and just browse the designs that you can see there that are already pre-made as templates. Now, as you can see here, there is 284 pages of different types of business card templates. So within that, you should be able to find a design that suits your business. You can do searches here for the styles and themes. You can do logos. You can pick from industry, or you can simply type in something. Like I'll type in pink now, and all the different pink designs will come up. And as you can see, there's 19 pages of pink designs. So you can really type in anything you want. These three up the top are ones that I've previously used myself. So they come up so that I can start from a previous design that I've already done. Here I am typing in reselling just to have a look if there's any cards that come up. If there isn't any that take your fancy, simply do a new search and try something else. Here we go, black. Let's see what comes up. There's a heap of black options here. 26 pages of business cards that contain being primarily black. And once again, you will see the options up the top are mine from previous designs. Here I am just clicking on one of my previous designs, and I just want to show you this is a basic template that anybody can use, and I just come in here and it's simple to change your details. Click on here and you can change your text, or else you can change it directly on the text box on the left hand side. Type it in. Oops, I made a little typo there. It's tricky to do this while I'm trying to show you, but here you go. Let's fix up my typo. I appreciate your order. Let's type it in. Where am I going to go change the next line here for small business? I'll just change that. My little slogan, a mum hustling on the side, even though this is my full-time job. There you go, a mum hustling on eBay. Let's make it that. That sounds better. What are we going to do here? I'm not going to write a company name. I'm just simply going to change the text again to whatever I want it to be. Let's write raising 4 kids. and selling on eBay to help pay for the large family expenses. There we go. Down on the next line, change the text, write again, whatever you like. Here I'm going to write, please leave me positive feedback. If you want to change the color on anything, it's very simple. The little color icon is there. You can change the sizing. There's so many different options within this template that you can do. Once you have finished, press the next button and it's going to take you to this backside options. Now you can see here that there's blank is included for free, and if you would like to add some full color or grayscale, you can for extra. If you don't, just click on the next and it'll take you straight through here to review your item. Once you've reviewed your item here, simply click that you approve your design and it'll take you straight through to your payment area. And that's it. It's as simple as that on making a thank you card.